a 24-day accumulation of mail and papers. And what I've shown you so far is what is my personal mail. And then over here, what is work-related mail from the same period of time. So after about an hour of work, here's what I have left. This pile is my motion pile, things that are in motion, actions I have to do, etc. This pile is my file pile, and I have specific places where each of these items will be filed, as well as specific reasons for filing them. And last but not least, I have my magazine pile, things that need to be read. So you may be wondering how I got a large stack of mail down to just a few pieces in about an hour. Well, this is Janice Russell with Minding Your Matters Organizing, here to tell you just briefly how our flexible structure method of organizing can help you do the same with a pile of papers, whether it's mail or other papers. So, first of all, one thing I did was that I minimized inside clutter. That's the clutter in my head that says, oh, I must keep these newspapers and go through them all, or I will have missed some crucial news. And I told myself that if it was crucial news, I would either hear it again or I could access it on the internet. So the newspapers that were originally here when I came home, they went straight to recycling, as did catalogs, because I know that in just a few days I'll get the same catalogs again. Another thing is that I set real boundaries in a couple of ways. First, I only get the Friday, Saturday, Sunday paper, so less of them could accumulate. And second, I had those boxes out on my table. One said things in envelopes, and one said things not in envelopes. And the person taking care of my house put items in each one, and that helped me to be able to see how much I had in each pile and how much time to devote to it. Another thing I did was that I made a choice that it was okay to recycle the newspaper and the catalogs. I also decided as I went through how many things needed a lot of my attention versus a little bit of attention. And the last thing was that I selected success tools, in this case a post-it notepad and a pen, so that I could put items into stacks, my motion stack and my file stack, and if there was anything else that I needed to use, the pencil, the pen, or the post-it notepad, then I could make other notes along the way. So just a couple of things that helped me to get through that pile. And so if you have piles of papers and are really struggling with how to get those into a more manageable pile, let us know here at Minding Your Matters. We would be more than happy to help you to get rid of that paper pile.